you want to do something like this, you come to the right place. There's this website called findsounds.com. Type in any kind of sound effects, like a punch sound. They'll show a list for you. Press play, and you can pick the sound you want. Like this one, it's my favorite. If you want to save it, right click, and then save like as. Then go to your flash animation here, and make it small. Then to your library, and then you can see here my sounds. Drag it to the library, and then you can see in your library it's here, and you could just play it like this animation. Yeah. So we're gonna open a new one. Okay. Whoa. Open a new one. We're gonna a new one. Okay, anyways. So we're gonna just delete this. Okay, we're deleting this. Okay. So first of all, draw your animation. Okay. I'm gonna draw the animation. So like this. Yeah. So like that. Then just gonna move his arms. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna copy this too. Copy. Oh shoot. Do this. Copy. And then so then we're gonna paste. So now we got saved head. Okay. Now we're gonna paste. And paste. Okay. Then that. So now it's in the punching motion. Okay. Okay. So boom. Punch. I'm gonna paste. Oh shoot. I'm gonna paste. So like that looks like this one. It's gonna be like this. And I'm gonna make his fist go longer. So now it looks like he's actually going into his punch. Now we're gonna paste. There. So let's roll it. Yeah. So that's a punch. And now we're gonna add sounds. So you have to time it right to where you're gonna add sounds. So this is okay for the swoosh. The sound. So swoosh. So that. And then right here is okay for the punch. So it'll be like this. And so that's how you do sound effects. Oh shoot. That's how you do sound effects. Sound effects. Sound effects. Yeah. Bye.